10-minute matches, boys and girls courts where possible. 5 players on court from each team. Subs can be made on all dead ball periods. Players can only accumulate a total of 2 fouls from the match. If they accumulate any more, they are disqualified. In the case of a draw, a jump ball will start the period, and the first team to gain clear possession will be the winner. All other normal basketball rules apply.
Ten-minute games. 7 players on the field from each team. Substitutes can be at any time. At the start of the game or restart after a goal, all members need to be in their defensive side of the pitch. There is no designated goalkeeper and no players are allowed inside the goal circle. After each goal, the ball will be placed back onto the centre dot and the team who conceded a goal can kick it backwards. If the ball goes out of play, the team which did not touch it last will place the ball on the ground where it went out and kick it back into play. There is no slide tackling. In the case of a handball, foul or any other penalty, a place kick will be taken from where the action took place. In the case of a draw, at full time, the team will choose a kicker to try and kick a goal from halfway. This will continue till one team scores. When you get to the volleyball station, get into your teams and check which court you're on. Set up your 5 players on the court, setter in the front middle. The court should look like a W and get ready to play. Players in the setter position will rock, paper, scissors to see who serves to start the game. If you have more than 5 players, have the subs on the side of the court ready to come on to serve after each rotation. You will advantage your team and the time of your games if you organise your team prior to the day. Teams can be mixed, just need to be made up of students from the same house.
Playing area is a complete badminton court. Hitting the roof will result in an out and the point to the opposite team. No more than 3 hits from your team. The same person cannot hit the ball twice in a row. No grabbing or carrying the ball. If the ball bounces on the line, it's in. Underarm serves only. If the same team wins 5 points in a row, rotate to the next server. No blocking or spiking the serve. Rotate each time your team wins the serve back from the other team. Play to as many points as you can in the 15 minutes. Matches will be to 15 points. All matches will be doubles. All normal badminton rules will apply.
In Sports Day 2020, students will participate in the following track and field events: the 100 metre sprint, the 1.1 kilometre run, discus, shot put, vortex and long jump.
The 2 fastest boy and girl runners from the 100 metre sprints from each year level will compete in an all-star relay at the end of the day.